Where's Sean from?
Sean, you didn't let us know where you were from.
No. Gotta know where you're from, Sean.
He says, what are your thoughts about how far away from your home base to be investing in?
Well, that's a good question. I get that all the time. The answer is, Sean, depends on what kind of investing you're going to do. For example, if you're just flipping houses, I could be in Bangladesh and flip a house in Florida. It's kind of irrelevant. It's all online anyway. But if I'm going to buy houses and install tenant buyers in them where I have a long-term relationship to the property, I think I'd rather have you near the property, because the property is always going to need somebody's attention. First of all, you got to make sure it's ready to sell before you put it on the market. Buyers have got to go through it and all that kind of stuff, and it's just so much harder to handle if you're not where the property is. So if you're just going to flip it quick, I don't care where you're at. If you're going to have any long-term relationship with a property, it should be right around where you live. There's way more to do where you live than you're ever going to get done anyway, ever. And everybody thinks the grass is greener on the other side of the pasture, and usually it comes with poop under it.
Ew.
So stick where you're at.
It's gross.
Conquer where you're at first, and worry about going somewhere else. Because I mean, I can make you a list this long of people that are making 7 figures right in the city where they live. So stay where you're at and get the nuts and bolts, the basics down to a science. Implement them, and you'll find you won't go anywhere else.